Pasig West, Fortis Tondo, Pangasinan. Dito yung masarap tambayan paghapon, maganda ang view at madami pumupunta. Sino na nakapunta dito at ano ang best experience mo dito?
Tonight, as I look back over my shoulder, all the stars are shining bright, just like the night when I used to hold her. She's out there somewhere under the lover's moon. Lover's moon wants to shine on me, and dancing with the memories. I wish I may, I wish I might have one last chance to hold her tight, waiting. I know she's waiting.